Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change text border color in Microsoft Publisher. So let's start it. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show change text border color. Now, firstly, draw text box. Now type your text. Now select from text. Now this is your text size. Then we show this is the text size. Now going to the text box tool option in format, then click for shape text outline option, then select from a choose color, then again click for text outline. Now click for width option, then click for unpt. Then we show the text border color from red, then again change the text border color. Now select from text. Now go to the text tool format, then going to text outline. Now click for choose color. Now I'm choose from yellow color. That is. Now you can see change text border color in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.